Hi, I'm Marcus with Geckodrive, and I'm here to talk about the compact and powerful G251x digital stepper drive. Meet the G250x and G251x, our compact, powerful 10 microstep drive, capable of driving NEMA 17 to 34 motors up to 50 volts DC and 3.5 amps per phase. Our mid-band resonance compensation and low-speed smoothness adjustment means your motor will run smoothly at whatever speed you desire. Full-step morphing outputs up to 30% more torque at high speed than competing drives. The G250x and G251x have a few key features, such as a very small and compact size, a user-settable trim pot adjustment for low-speed smoothness on all motors, multiple connector options with either a male or female 10th-inch header or a 3.5mm terminal block, an oversized power section for increased ruggedness and reliability, and an optional hard anodized heat spreader plate for electrical isolation. The result is a faster, smoother, and more reliable machine. I hope this Geckodrive overview video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.